you're going to feel dumb, and that is okay. No, I think because I had a friend that had already done it, and she's a trusted friend. Though we hadn't spoken maybe like 5 years, this is someone who I know is intelligent. I believe she's an introvert also, and just a great person. So automatically with her advice, I'm gonna take it seriously. And I think Talent Stacker just reinforced all of that for me. In addition, put it together in a package that was very useful. And then I will say too that Talent Stacker has like continual learning, right? So aside from certification, aside from preparing for the experience project and having the build alongs, there's also the real world, I can't remember the name of it, but there's real world like training where Anthony's getting on there and being like, hey, these are real requests that I've received before, and this is how you handle it. In addition, for me, I'm not the best at flows. My flows are very hit or miss. And I think that's a very common issue. And Anthony does classes on flow. So I think there's a lot. I would say not all of that continual learning is what I personally need right now, but I see potential for it right throughout my whole career. So that's also what's really cool, is that now I'm plugged in and now I have access to it whenever I need it.